Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to display a custom message on an empty grid view cells. And here we got a new output. Notice the empty cells got a custom message with the font color red, no data. That's it. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Just for the time saving, I have already binded a table into this grid view control. Notice some cells in this grid view control are empty. Let's check in my database table, and this is a table we have binded into the grid view control, which contains 3 columns: ID, name and salary. If you notice in this name column, some values are null, and also if you notice in the salary, contains some null values. Now my aim is I want to display some custom message on this grid view empty cells. So let's start the coding part, and this is a code in the grid view. I have binded the table using SQL data source. So now let's add the display custom message on grid view empty cells. Switch to the design mode, highlight the grid view control, go to properties, notice the 4th option, select that one. In the events, data row data bound event, double click that one. And here we got our row data bound event. Now in this row data bound event, I'm using for loop for int I is equals to 0, I is less than e dot row dot cells dot, I'm adding the count property I plus plus. Now in this for loop, I'm implementing the if condition. If the empty cells, if any cell is empty, if e dot row dot cells, I'm adding this integer to counting the cells dot text double equals to, between string I'm adding @nbsp, which is the empty space. If I found any empty space in the grid view cells, e dot row dot cells I dot text is equals to, I want to display no data. It's a message, and I want to display this message in a red color. E dot row dot cells I dot 4 color is equals to system dot drawing dot color dot red. That's it. We have done the coding part to display the message on the empty cells in a grid view control. I'm reloading the browser link. And here we got a new output. Notice the empty cells got a custom message with the font color red, no data. That's it.